Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you all are doing good. Yeah, students, this subject is basically introduction to management. Okay, will you know, yeah, I think so. Most of the students know about the concept of general concept of management. There are a number of things that we have to study in this course and in this session. But before moving onward, first we have to, what we can say, know about how we have to cover this course and how we will cover this session. Just like basic concept of introduction to management, you people in future definitely we will discuss in detail what will be the concept and what will be the basic content that we will cover in our introduction to management course. Before moving onward, we have to know, just a second, before moving onward, we have to know that that means what will be the teaching methodology that we have to follow right now? And what's the reason? In general, traditional learning process, our learning approach, our classroom learning approach, you people know very well about that approach. That means generally जो हमारे classroom के अंदर जिस तरह आपको बाकी subjects में teach किया जाता है, you know very well about that method, our methodology. But right now, this is the first time we are switching from traditional teaching methodology to the flipped teaching methodology. So before moving onward, or before starting our what we can say that learning approach in that fashion, first you people have to know about what's the meaning and what's the concept of flip teaching methodology or technology. Basically, word flip is just like to turn over, to change, to exchange, right? So word flip is again, it's about जनरली जो आपका ट्रेडिशनल क्लासरूम लर्निंग अप्रोच है उसको हम चेंज कर रहे हैं, उसको टर्न ओवर कर रहे हैं with this flipped classroom learning approach. Now, first of all, you have to know and you have to understand what's the concept of traditional classroom learning approach. Okay, you people know very well about the traditional classroom learning approach, like in generally what we are used to of, just like before the start of the class. These are the different, what we can say, set of steps through which you can come to know. This is how we can follow, and this is how we are used to of. Like before the class, the learner come to the classroom based on the topic and schedule given to them. जस्ट लाइक जैसे आप लोग आजकल क्लास में आते हैं, इट्स फॉर जनरल टिल सेकेंड थर्ड सेमेस्टर एंड टिल ऑनवर्ड जो आप लोग यूज टू थे. And you have to come into the classroom and then you have to start with the what we can say, your teacher has to take the start, your teacher has to or your instructor has to deliver the lecture. जैसे आपका generally normal teacher जो है वो deliver करता है lecture, or usko definitely carefully you have to listen to your teacher, and then your teacher will provide different lesson plans, what we can say assignments and different learning material, different what we can say slides, whatever they have, and different activities for your home, jisko hum home assignments bhi kehte hain, homework bhi kehte hain, whatever you want to say. So that is basically home activity that is after the class that will be given to you by your instructor. So generally, this is what we can say, this is known as your traditional classroom learning approach. Now, what we are right now, what is the basic concept of flipped classroom learning approach? In flipped classroom learning approach, what it is, first of all, we have to know, we have to understand, and then we will move toward the what's the basic advantage and why and how we will implement this methodology. Okay, now in flipped classroom, it's the turnover and it's the what we can say exchange of overall traditional and what we can say overall flipped um, classroom learning approach. Now, what we have to do is before the start of the class, everything has been given to you, like learner are given the study material. That study material can be just like that can be the videos, that can be the content, and that can be your lesson plans, that can be slides, that can be any other thing, just like case studies, और YouTube पे कोई videos या कोई चीज, कोई scenarios आपको provide किए जा सकते हैं. And definitely you have to study that material, and you have to learn from that material. That can be the videos of your what we can say instructor. Just like जैसे मैं अपनी videos आपके LMS पे upload कर दूंगी और आपने first of all उनको study करना होगा. That is your basically homework. That is before the start of the class, before the start of the next class. Definitely it's not for the first class, but that can be for the second class. And then we will, you can say we will start our current class in the classroom. That is your home activity. And this one is given by your instructor, that is given by your teacher. And what we have to do then in the classroom, then we have to make the different groups, and you people has to, you can say, discuss the content and discuss the whatever assignment, situation, case study, or video that has been given to you in the previous lecture that students has already prepared in the, you can say, from the previous activity, home activity point of view. The learner discuss the content with their peers and the instructor. So what we have to do in the classroom, we have to discuss that material in the classroom, and at the same time, you have to present that material in the classroom. So it's a very healthy activity. इसके through आप खुद को आप खुद फील करेंगे कि आप खुद को ग्रूम कर रहे हैं. आपकी मैक्सिमम जो है वो ग्रूमिंग हो रही है फ्रॉम योर स्किल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, फ्रॉम योर क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, the way you have to participate, the way you have to interact with the individuals, being a group or being a number of individuals sitting together, how you have to interact with one another. So the number of things that you can learn in this process, अगर आप इसको properly लेके चलें, एक silent mode में ना रहें, तो it's very beneficial for you. And then after the class, so class में हम इसको discuss करेंगे, आपके content को, video को, whatever has been given in the last session, in the last class, for your home activity later on in the class that we will discuss. And after the class again, that is for the next day, or that is for the, you can say, next session. After the class, the learner check and confirm their understanding by doing further learning activities. So one option that we can use is, one thing is like after the what we can say covering the contents, and after the presentation जो आपको दी जाएंगी, जो आपने classroom में cover करनी होगी, उसके बाद what you can do is, आप class के अंदर what you have to do is, आप further हम discussion कर सकते हैं, उस topic के regarding हम discuss कर सकते हैं, हम further उसके regarding कोई problems होती हैं, उन चीजों को discuss कर सकते हैं. And definitely your teacher has given the again assignment and homework that can be in the form of next class lecture and video, which you have to study, and then in class we will discuss that thing. So this is again, this is the difference. This is what the oral teaching methodology is. जनरली क्या होता था, पहले ये होता था कि पहले आपको टीचर पढ़ाता था, आपको बताता था, और फिर आप जो है वो उसको घर जाके इन द फॉर्म ऑफ असाइनमेंट करते थे. अभी क्या होगा, अभी आप पहले पढ़ के आएंगे और फिर टीचर आपको इन द फॉर्म ऑफ असाइनमेंट्स एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिस्कशन डिफरेंट क्लासरूम एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व करेगा. So this is the major difference. So that is the reason it's known as your flip technology or methodology. But further we can, you can say, discuss its technology in this way, the flipped classroom, just like before, during, and after. Now, what's the basic objective? Student prepare to participate in the class activity. आपको जो भी content दिया जाएगा, आपको videos दी जाएंगी, आपको lesson plans दिए जाएंगे. First, you have to prepare it by yourself. And during the class, what you have to do is, definitely everyone has to participate in that in the classroom activity, and that can be in the form of group. आपकी class के अंदर different groups बना दिए जाएंगे, और उसमें definitely in the form of groups you have to participate. Every individual has to come and they have to speak, they have to participate, and that can be in any fashion. Definitely जिस तरह आपको आपका teacher कोई भी activity देगा, scenario देगा, उसके accordingly then you have to perform, and then you have to participate. Now, what's the student participate, students practice applying key concept with the feedback. Then you have to implement the key concept. one by one आप सारे group fellows, you have to come and you have to discuss about the key concept, what you have, you can say learn, or what you have prepared in the last day, in the previous day. That is about your overall, what we can say, home assignment or homework or home activity. So then students check their understanding and extend their learning. So after the class, what we can say, then you can check whether you are getting that thing, you are understanding the content or not. So this is what overall, what we can say, this is how we have to move onward, and this is what the overall cycle is, right? So what's the basic advantage? You people are thinking why we are switching from traditional method. People are sometimes, बहुत सारे students ये सोचते भी हैं, कहते भी हैं कि it's more beneficial, whether we are diverting from, you can say, physical and face to face जो एक जनरल ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है, उससे हम ऑनलाइन की तरफ, या आपके लिए by using different tools and devices उस एक टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ क्यों मूव कर रहे हैं. So what's the benefit? The number of benefits. Basic benefit is definitely it's about your grooming, it's about your developing, it will develop your skills, it will develop your personality as well. Definitely you people has to sit together, coordination होगा, आप communicate कैसे करना है, आपने खुद को you can say present कैसे करना है, आपका confidence boost होगा, आपको encouragement मिलेगी, आप एक दूसरे के साथ, other than your daily gupshup, you are able to communicate in a proper way as per the, you can say, requirement of your teacher and of the classroom. So definitely it will be very much helpful to, you can say, greater development of the independent learning skill, less affected by absenteeism. And up to some extent, yeah, that is what we can say if someone is not present in the class. So it's very much beneficial. He can take the, she can take the advantage कि उसको सारी videos और सारा data available होगा online, and whenever he wants to or she wants to, she can, yeah, take the advantage from that material. So it will be able to build a deeper understanding of the topic. Definitely when you study that topic by yourself, it will help you to find out the, you can say, deeper understanding regarding that topic, and it will help you to find more knowledge regarding that topic, and it will improve the overall engagement of the student in the class. So overall, what we can conclude, so that the reason is like why we are switching. So these are the general reasons and these are the general benefits. That is the reason this course is, for this course we are recently we have decided that we will follow this flipped classroom learning approach, and I hope so आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी कि why we are using and what's the advantage and how we will follow. जनरली आपको सारे कंटेंट्स अवेलेबल होंगे, आपके लेसन प्लान, आपकी वीडियो, आपकी स्लाइड्स, एवरीथिंग विल बी अपलोडेड ऑन LMS. आपकी अगर कोई असाइनमेंट है, अगर आपका कोई टास्क है, अगर कोई वीडियो क्लिप है, अगर कोई सिचुएशन सिनेरियो के स्टडी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कोई क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है, डेफिनेटली एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑन LMS, और everything will be available on any social media, जिससे आप ऑनलाइन डेफिनेटली घर पे जाके आप काम कर सकते हैं, उसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं. एंड वेरी नेक्स्ट क्लास when you have to come in the class, so definitely your teacher will ask the question, I will ask the question regarding that specific topic from that specific video. So it's very important for the student, everyone has to listen that video, and we have to ensure, and we have to make sure that you are definitely, you can say, participating in the class, and you are getting the, or understanding the things through the videos. If you have any difficulty, definitely your class teacher is available in the classroom, and you can ask whatever you want to. There is no issue, there is no harm कि आप उनसे कुछ पूछ नहीं सकते. Definitely it's a very cooperative and what we can say participative working environment, जिसमें आपका टीचर भी participate करेगा और आप भी participate करेंगे. So I hope so, इससे आपके concepts ज़्यादा clear होंगे. थोड़ी सी effort आपको और थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा आपको इस टेक्नोलॉजी को अंडरस्टैंड करने में, but it's very much, I hope so, it's very much beneficial for you. So student, this is all about what we have to discuss about, or what we have discussed about flip technology and methodology. Now in the next session, let's start with the next video. In next video, then we will what we can say, then we will discuss about what our subject is and how we will cover our subject. So thank you so much for this video session. Thank you, class.